We are back at Camp Nou for a new construction update as a fresh working week begins. With no matchday activities scheduled over the coming days, the site has uninterrupted access for heavy construction, structural works, and facade installation. If you want to stay updated on everything happening around Camp Nou and follow the latest construction progress, make sure you're subscribed. More updates are coming very soon. Let's move on. In the South Goal Zone, work continues around the stair and elevator cores. Structural beams are mostly installed, with only a few upper elements still pending before exterior sandwich panels can be added. Support systems for future facade elements are already in place, while crews continue inspections, adjustments, and internal works across the structure. At the South Goal corner, Louver installation is actively advancing. A new louver panel is currently being positioned using a crane, while multiple workers and platforms operate simultaneously in this area. Lower sections and soffit elements are already completed, and work is now focused on the exterior-facing zones where brackets and supports are fully prepared. This area continues to be one of the most visually advanced facade sections of the stadium. Along the lateral stand, concrete pouring is underway at upper levels using a concrete pump. Precast concrete panels have been installed at the base of several stair cores near the elevator entrances. Interior sandwich panels are already in place, while exterior sections remain under preparation. Nearby, the fourth compression ring pillar and its corresponding radial beam remain staged on site, awaiting lifting in the coming days. A newly arrived truck loaded with louvers confirms that facade installation will continue expanding into additional zones soon. At the North Goal corner, crews are installing facade insulation systems. Rock wool is being placed between structural elements, followed by rear and front metal finishing covers. Workers are also applying protective coatings to beams, using spatulas to spread material evenly. Several horizontal gaps remain to be filled, indicating ongoing thermal and acoustic preparation before final facade elements are added. In the central North Goal area, multiple crews are active on scaffolding within elevator structures. Protective safety netting is being installed, matching sections already completed nearby. Diagonal steel elements are being manually positioned and secured, indicating lighter structural components still being added. Nearby, concrete chipping work is underway, likely removing excess material between slabs and beams to refine structural joints. Activity continues in the Tribuna area, where large prefabricated elements are being repositioned near the stair cores. Inside the structure, workers remain active on scaffolding, indicating that most of the steel framework for the elevator shafts is already in place. The area is now transitioning from structural assembly toward enclosure, with preparations underway for future sandwich panel installation. Several elevated platforms are operating inside the structure, while upper-level activity remains steady. At the cafeteria diamond, the situation remains largely unchanged. Corner glass panels are still missing on both sides, and several panels above the entrance doors have yet to be installed. Some exposed reinforcement remains visible, indicating pending concrete works. Despite this, the installed glass already defines the shape of the future cafeteria area. In the store diamond area, previously stacked glass panels have been removed and loaded onto a truck, likely for relocation. Glass installation remains pending above the entrance doors and at the corners. Above the doors, workers are actively installing rock wool insulation, followed by finishing trim elements, signaling progress towards ceiling and facade completion in this section. That wraps up today's construction update from Camp Nou. If you found this progress report useful, don't forget to support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. More updates are coming very soon as works continue to move forward across the stadium.